Hey, what's up? This is Alex. This is Dev Diary video series, and in this one I'm going to talk about the release 1.3 that didn't happen in March and what was in it. After the release 1.2, where it was just synchronous hit mob and get an instant response stuff, I wanted to make it more like a proper RPG. So there was an idea to make an asynchronous battle mode, and this way it would be the same for both cooperative and PvP modes. Also, I wanted to introduce some special mechanics like defend player or assist player, so that number of people and the way they interact would matter more. Of course, I needed some magic, and altogether it would more or less reflect classic MMORPG player classes and battle mechanics and all that. And well, I added this stuff, but I really struggled with proper player UX, which became clumsy and took a lot of space on phones, and it was really messy. Not to mention, it was far from intuitive. So the first time I showed it to a friend of mine, he was not able to understand a thing about what was going on there. So I was really upset and decided that this stuff cannot be released and promoted to anybody. And this video I'm doing just for historical reasons, so we have to take a look at it now. And I guess we'll start with the PvP mode and then move on to cooperative. And before we start, I have to say that here the guy to the right has some spells, which are magic gems, which were kind of supposed to be found deeper in dungeon. And the guy to the left just has one physical defense, because we will try to cast, I don't know, is it a fatigue? Probably that will try to decrease his physical defense. Okay. So, okay, let's give it a try. Here we go, and here we see the new create party dialog, which allows us to have a lot of stuff, a lot of modes, a lot of options, online, offline, all that. So I'm gonna have a small board so that I can talk and play simultaneously. Okay, and this is it. On a desktop it looks even uglier because this stuff to the left, the white stuff to the left, becomes small one, and just takes a part of the screen. And this is more or less okay. This is how it looks like on a phone. So as you can see, we have a +2 attack here, and the guy to the left has +1 def. So probably if I start an attack, I will not be able to... Oh no, I killed him. Okay, let's try again. Let's try again, and probably let's share some lives lost. Okay, so 676. Okay, let's try again. So this time I attack, and I have no... Oh, okay, I have to attack. This is not good. Whatever. Okay, so you can see that as I press the attack button, this guy has parry or evade buttons, and he also has a state. So in case my attack was successful, he gets a cooldown. He cannot do anything, like for example he cannot attack. This stuff is disabled. And so the same applies here. And what was about the fatigue? I'm casting it on myself, which is probably not a good thing to do. Okay, let's give it a try again. Let's give it a try again. Oh no, I know what we're gonna do. We're gonna go here. No, we're gonna go here. What's going on here? And we're gonna take it off. Okay. What the? Okay. We'll start over, and this time I guess we'll be able... Yeah. I have 0 attack. The critical hit. Okay, he gets bigger cooldown. Okay, the hit is blocked. And what if I try to hit the same time as the guy to the left hits me? My attack is interrupted, and so this how it is done. Okay, and let's probably try to cast fatigue once again. Maybe, I don't know, this time the guy will attack us. No. Oh, it was physical attack decrease, but yeah, whatever. Yeah. So that's funny. I guess he now has -1 attack. Yeah. So even though I have no defense, he's never gonna hit me. Okay. That's a mess. Ugh. Come on. Let's go and create a cooperative game so that we could see that it's even bigger mess. Okay, so this beautiful radio button here, which means, I don't know, something. And well, let's try to test this assist and defend button. So once I start attacking, the mob will understand that something's going on and will attack. Okay, I will defend this guy. And I will try to defend once again. This is a cooldown. I don't know what's going on. Assist. Probably if we're gonna win this one, we'll take a look at log. Okay. So somebody decided to parry and somebody decided to defend this guy. So here you can see that if the user defends another one, his profile is used. So it's kind of replaces himself. So this way, a guy who has a lot of physical defense can consume attacks if the physical attack is not enough, right? So it's like tanking. Okay. So in 1.3 release, these mechanics is somewhat present, but I just kind of like it a little bit more. What else we can try here? We can, I don't know, go a little bit down, deeper, probably, I don't know. Okay, the one guy has died. So it's just the guy to the left against the mob. Okay, I don't know. I will just try spamming this stuff. I can't understand anything. It's really just a mess. Okay, that's how it is. That's how it was about. What it was about. And yeah, I also introduced, I believe, in this 1.3 release, this side pane with information about the stash and lives lost and all that stuff. Okay, I'm gonna take the money and go up. Okay, and another topic of this video is to show you the good old legacy UI. It was created 6 years ago when it was, more like a desktop stuff. So it's just a chat, okay, and it has a game embedded in it. So it looks like this. Okay, you can play some stuff. Oh yeah, and the reason I'm showing it now is because due to some technical changes, I dropped out legacy leaps and as dependencies, and this classical UI relies upon it, so it's going to die. And as this video is dedicated to unreleased and never to be seen again stuff, I believe it was a good moment to show it. Okay, by the way, we will make it a little bit wider and quit this game. And the thing I liked about it, solo online without an RPG, okay, it would allow you to spectate, but for some reason For some reason I cannot see it. So let's... yeah, of course, because due to the technical changes, the old UI is available on hosts with 1.2 release, while RU1 is used as a development machine. So I had to update the release to this unreleased 1.3 stuff. So that's how I came up to an idea to show it to you. Okay, so once again, okay, who am I? Oh, it's just, it's still RU. Come on already. Okay, UI5. No, UI5. Please. UI5. Okay. Okay. I guess this time I'm gonna be lucky. Okay. Yeah. Cool. So the thing is, yeah, you could spectate on another players. Okay, like this. And as a small hint, there is going to be a spectator mode in 1.3, and that's another big stuff I like about it. So in the next video, which is going to be exactly about the 1.3 release, I'll show you all this stuff in more details and how the redesign, the UX redesign, and the introduction of action points based mechanics and simplified magic made me decide to go for it and to release it. So thanks for watching and stay tuned.